Welcome back to Northwest Overland. Hope you enjoy. Today we're going to do a little install video. We got the RCV Rapid Connect valve from Apex Designs. So let me show you how they install. This might be the smallest package I ever received, but definitely wasn't a small price at $95. It's got the instructions there, a little sticker. I went with the 4-valve kit. They also make a 5-valve kit. Got the core removal tool and installation tool there, and 4 of the valves. So let's get them installed. So what you're going to want to do is take your existing valve cap off. And then use the provided tool and remove the core. First I want to take the cap off the new valve. Take that core out and get your new valve and just hand tighten it on there. And then use your tool and torque it on. Just hand tight. And that's it. The kit also comes with a sticker, so I did a little experimenting, and my starting PSI at 35 PSI will take roughly 25 seconds and will end up being 23 PSI, and so on. As you can see in the chart, starting out at 35 PSI, or 34.7 to be exact. It should be roughly 23 seconds to air down to 25 PSI. We are right at 25.3 PSI. So it's easy as that. Pretty quick little install. Very convenient. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks again.